Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Jaundice. Jaundice. Jaundice is a term used in medical settings to describe a yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes due to liver disease and the increase of bile pigments in the blood or by the excessive breakdown of red blood cells. Jaundice is often seen in hepatitis and other liver diseases. And any disease that has jaundice as a primary symptom might be referred to as jaundice. However, jaundice is often used in literary settings to mean something non-medical. As a noun, jaundice means a state in which one's views are distorted due to intense negative feelings such as envy, resentment, hostility, etc. A bitter or prejudiced state of mind. Often, we say we can see the jaundice in an angry person's eyes. Jaundice can also be used as a verb, meaning to distort or prejudice one's views as by anger, jealousy, resentment, etc. For example, his views on friendship were jaundiced by his mistreatment. And it can be used as an adjective, jaundiced. If you look at something with negativity or doubt, you are looking at it with a jaundiced eye. Non-medical examples of how to use jaundice in a sentence. He always looked at politics with a jaundiced eye, so it was a surprise when he decided to run for city council. My attitude was jaundiced by my upbringing, making it difficult for me to fit in. The two families had been feuding for so long you could see the jaundice in their eyes when they spoke of one another.